you still be singing it on that cold and windy day?
Alright, it's unboxing time. It's YouTube Vico and Comic Book Kid once again. This time an unboxing video. We are unboxing a chair. And it is a gaming chair. So that means no more of this comfy business. No. This bed will now be used for sleeping at night. And I have a new gaming chair so I can do gaming videos. Because regardless of its tablet, I'm still using this chair for gaming purposes. So I can make my gaming videos a lot easier. Whether it's tablet, Xbox, PlayStation, or Nintendo Switch, I'm still going to use this chair. For all costs. So Carson, what do you think of this chair? Do you think it's good or is it not?
I think it's pretty cool. It looks pretty comfy.
Yeah, it does. So to all of you out there, I wish you have a safe night. Have a good day for Canada. Oh yeah. And it's pretty much easy. We go back. Got ourselves a chair. And we are just unboxing it. And yes, right here.
Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get this bad boy out of the box.
Yeah.
So we will give you an update later on the final build. Peace.
Alright, so we finished up sending our chair. Might take a look at it one more time. Boom. And that's gonna be the new chair for now when I want to do gameplays or let's plays or something like that. So yeah, even when I'm using this tablet, I'm still using this lovely green chair. So I can make my gaming videos a lot easier. So yeah. So now I finished setting up. So yeah, that's about it. Alright guys, so that's it for this unboxing video. See you next time when I do another gaming video. Until then, I'm Realistic KG video, and with me for this video was Carson. That is, he is somewhere downstairs. Downstairs is somewhere with with mom, my little brother somehow, aka the Comic Book Kid, and I'll see you next time for another game video. Goodbye.